Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a tricky problem regarding a basic calculator implementation. The problem at hand is that a code snippet provided for the calculator function seems to be giving incorrect outputs on Leetcode, while working just fine on an online compiler. Interesting, right? In terms of the solution provided, it seems like the issue might lie with how Leetcode handles global variables. The guess is Leetcode may be calling the function repeatedly, causing unexpected behavior. It's also suggested to try implementing the code without using global variables to potentially eliminate the error. So, it's all about how the platform interacts with the code. In summary, the discrepancy in outputs between Leetcode and the online compiler could be due to how global variables are handled. To potentially solve this, you might want to try tweaking the code to avoid using global variables altogether. And with that, we've covered the ins and outs of this curious coding challenge. Good luck with your own coding adventures, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite programming pun. See you next time.